Hi, my name is Ken Ibini, and welcome to the business news update on the News Chronicle. We have stock market fall 0.25% after Nigeria's inflation rebase. Nigeria stock exchange market dipped 0.25% despite new inflation data showing a lower rate. Now, the NGS All Share Index fell to 107,670.98 points, while the market capitalization dropped to 67.179 trillion naira, reflecting a cautious investor sentiment. We also have Nigeria's Treasury bill drew 2.41 trillion naira in bids after at the rates fall. Now, the latest Treasury bill auction attracted about 2.41 trillion naira in bids, down from 3.22 trillion naira, which was sold earlier. The CBN raised allocations, particularly for 364-day bills, while stop rates slightly declined. The CBN Nigeria retains Nigeria's interest rate at 27.50%. The Central Bank of Nigeria maintained the MPR at 27.50% alongside the CRR of 50% and liquidity ratio of 30%. Now, CBN Governor Olayemi Cardoso also reaffirmed the decision after the 299 MPC meeting, ensuring economic stability. We also have Apple releases the new iPhone 16e. Um, Apple launched the new iPhone 16e at $599, featuring an A18 chip and Apple Intelligence capability. Now, it is the most affordable AI-supported iPhone and will be available later in the month. So, stay updated with the News Chronicle. Like, comment, and share this video. And also, you can visit the website at www.thenews-chronicle.com for more business news. Thank you, and see you next time.